very good evening to all of you. I welcome you on a festive special episode of Being Informal with. Firstly, I wish all of you a very happy new year 2021. On behalf of entire IYNS family, I wish that upcoming year bring a lot of good wishes and will free all of us from this pandemic situation. With these words, let me take you to the special journey so far we had in the season one of Being Informal with. This is an 11 episode season, and we already aired 5 episodes of it, and today we are going to review our journey as so far we are in mid season. The concept of being informal with started way back in 2016 when I wanted to invite basically our beloved Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. His sudden demise put a break into my thoughts, and during this lockdown, while interacting with Dr. Anil Kakotkar, our former chairman of Atomic Energy Commission, I proposed this concept to him, and he agreed. So we went live with him on July 26th of this year, 2020, as the pilot episode, and begin archiving the scientific history of today's India. Since then, we improved a lot on technical capabilities, on refining the concept, and improved the research. And I'm glad to mention that our audience treated the show as its own. I do not have enough words to express the gratitude for the same. So, we decided to dedicate this episode to our audience and collected messages from all of you. One such message we received is from our upcoming guest. Here it is for you.
The internet has today become the primary medium for information and knowledge dissemination. This phenomenon has been accelerated substantially due to the lockdowns and social distancing measures imposed by COVID-19 pandemic. It is therefore appropriate that at this juncture, the Indian Youth Nuclear Society IYNS has commenced a web series Being Informal with, which brings to the platform leading luminaries of nuclear and allied sectors for informal and interactive discussions on wide-ranging issues of relevance. I would like to take this opportunity to compliment IYNS for launching this initiative. I have seen segments of the previous episodes and found them to be informative, educative, and engrossing. They have featured seniors, mentors, and path breakers. I feel that your efforts towards distilling out the essence of their lives, careers, struggles, and achievements in their own words have been remarkably successful. The episodes have not only recreated their individual journeys tinged with nostalgia, but also the journeys of the various phases of Indian nuclear sector. The format evolved by you initiating the topic with a lead question and remaining quietly in the background has allowed the speakers to have their say without interventions. This is quite appropriate in my view, as it allowed them to build the narrative without interrupting their chain of thoughts, creating a rich canvas of their experiences in the process. What I found noteworthy is the great humility and down to earth nature of all these panelists, which in fact has been one of the hallmarks of DAE culture of openness and informality, cutting across barriers of seniority and hierarchy. All the interviewees are not only great achievers but true role models. I would like to congratulate IYNS for creating this enriching and uplifting series and have no hesitation in recommending this series to the aspirational youth of this country so that they may gain insights into an important aspects of the India story, the growth of Indian nuclear sector and Indian science. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Vyasar, for your kind and encouraging words. And see you soon on our upcoming episode. Nostalgia is one of the factors with which we decided to begin this journey. And commencing from the memories with Dr. Anil Kakotkar in July 2019 at Kadaraj, we aired our first episode on the anniversary of that particular month. And this episode basically highlighted the importance of nuclear fusion and India's contribution in the quest to achieve this feat. Following the success of this pilot episode, we invited Dr. Sri Kumar Banerjee, former Atomic Energy Chairman, he was as well, to understand the importance of material science in the development of our nation. Through his half a century long career in the Department of Atomic Energy. In episode 3, we explored the story of Indian nuclear deterrence with one of the visionaries of Pokhran test, Dr. R. Chidambaram. As the second half of the Kakotkar Grover duo, we got the opportunity to have Dr. Ravi Grover to see nuclear diplomacy in action in making India a global nuclear power. On the other hand, the episode 5th showed us the glimpses of inclusive growth of India using the excellence in Indian meteorological capabilities with Dr. D.K. Aswal. Nothing of this sort could have happened without the strenuous effort of the dedicated being informal with team. Let's see what they feel about it.
Hi everyone, I'm Samyak Munot, the IT manager for the team IYS. When we started being informal with, we had one aim in mind, to bring out the stories behind the major technological advances and the scientific decisions taken. They have taught a lot to us because the stories were inspiring in the sense where we actually understood a decision, how important a decision can be in a circumstances. To have a very far sight on taking a decision on the understanding the impact in the very future. Hence, I would like to express my feelings about the show in a different manner. दुनिया समझती है कि शोहरत नसीबों से मिलती है, जब तकदीर अच्छी हो तो हर कामयाबी मिलती है, मगर कुछ लोग ऐसे हैं दीवाने मेहनती जज्बे के कि हर मुश्किल को पार कर सफलता उनके कदम चूमती है। उनकी सोच एक सैलाब को मुतासिर करती है और आने वाली नस्लों को एक सुनहरे कल का नजरिया देती है। कभी सिखाती है तो कभी उम्मीद देती है। उनकी कहानी हमेशा एक उन्नत कल की आस जगाती है। वो हमेशा कहते हैं कि लगन और सच्चाई से देश की सेवा करो, वरना बेमकसद जिंदगी तो यूं ही जाया होती है। उनके प्रयासों और मेहनत को मेरी आत्मा नमन करती है। उनके जैसा मैं भी कुछ कर जाऊं, मन में बस यही कामना रहती है। With these words, I really, inspired by the stories and the people behind it. And I, congratulate all the team members for doing an excellent work.
Hello, everyone. Myself, Sunaina Kundra, General Manager at IYNS. I would like to say that being informal with is not just any ordinary chat show that you would see. It's the preservation of knowledge and experience that is gained by our scientists over the years to make some really remarkable contributions to the society. It's the platform that connects our youth and the scientists to inspire them and guide them through their journeys. It's like to let them know that they were born just like them in normal families with simple amenities, but the only thing that made the difference was their passion to learn, their passion to make an impact. They let you know that the journey won't be easy, but it would be your passion that will get you through. So that was my takeaway from this show. I'm sure, besides the factual information, I'm sure you must have your own. So kudos to the team behind the concept. You guys are doing great job and good luck.
Hey, hi, I'm Srijan Kumar from Mumbai, and I'm a very regular viewer of the show Being Informal with by IYNS. In fact, now I have made it a habit to keep myself free on last Sunday of every month when the show is aired on YouTube. So, why I watch the show actually, I think there are some particular points which I really like about the show. So, first of all, I would like to say that I think this is probably the only show where we come to know about such eminent personalities in person. So, like, we might have, listened to these people talking about various aspects in many other shows also. But generally, those shows are restricted to some particular topic or some particular aspect, which is generally technical in nature. But BIW is the only show where actually we come to know about these people in person, like how these people really are. So it's a holistic approach, not just confined to a particular topic of their work, but in general about the person. So that is something which is really unique about the show and which I really like. Next thing is that we get like a first-hand experience about various landmarks events which are of historical importance. Like if you talk about the infamous Pokhran event or the Indo-US nuclear deal, or in fact the recent achievement of the great success of super accuracy of Indian Standard Time. So in fact, I recall that in the episode of Dr. Chidambaram, the real story of Pokhran when he was narrating, it was really exciting. And these are some stories which actually you cannot get from any other source. Like these can be told only by these people who are coming in this show. And thirdly, what I feel is that if somebody watches BIW closely, he will realize that there are certain common traits between, in all these eminent personalities. And if we can realize and, like extract those traits and we try to inculcate them in our personalities, I think we should definitely experience, like having, achieving more successes in life. So these are very important points, and this is why I think main things which always attract me towards this show. And secondly, what I feel is that this show of BIW by IYNS, I think if it should become more popular, and it will generate a lot of awareness in the masses about the true but silent nation builders of India, who are our eminent, like these scientists. So, if anybody wants to know about the greatest scientist India has produced, you should go nowhere else but simply visit the YouTube page or the website of IONS BIW. So these are my thoughts about the show, and my only request or suggestion is that I would personally prefer to see this show more often. So maybe rather than monthly, if it can be made something like a fortnightly event, it will be really great. So thank you and all the best.
Hi everyone, this is Siddharth Sinha and I am a member of the Being Informal with series, and it gives me immense pleasure to contribute to the series. It's a unique series not only about understanding the ways and methods of very eminent people, but also to comprehend their philosophies to measure success. Although every episode is prominent in its own manner, but my favorite amongst all is episode 3 with Dr. R. Chidambaram. I was a long time follower of Dr. Chidambaram and wanted to know more about him and the Pokhran test from him. I've seen the episode multiple times and feel my curiosity growing every time. Finally, I would like to thank the entire Indian Nuclear Society, being informal with team, for showcasing the life of such distinguished people in an informal manner. I recommend everyone to watch the IYNS Being Informal with show and also share their ideas, queries, and feedback to the IYNS team. Thank you.
Hi all. Being Informal with is a talk show by Indian Nuclear Society. I really like the format of Being Informal with. Very less often you get to see such in-depth interviews by Indian scientists. Indian public in general don't know much about what Indian scientists work on and what their contributions are to society in general. Um, and Being Informal with in general, from what I've seen, is a totally no holds barred episode. People discuss everything from their personal life to their professional life and what their vision is for the society as a whole. Um, you can see from these interviews with Dr. Kakodkar, who is such a great scientist who has worked in various fields in nuclear energy, to Dr. Chidambaram, who was the architect of Indian nuclear peace tests, which actually heralded, which brought stability, you can say. Although it might sound counterintuitive, but it generally brought stability to India as a country. To Dr. Aswal, Dr. Aswal's episode, which is a huge, big episode, over 3 hours, I think. In that also he talks about lot of concepts which people I don't think will be knowing. So I think being informal with this doing a really great job in bringing these facets of Indian scientists to public, to bringing them into light. And I hope IYNS and Being Informal with team brings more such uh, personalities and scientists, technocrats, and other people in general to into limelight, by which people will know what contributions they have made to the society in general. Thank you.
Thank you, my team members. We also received so many encouraging messages and feedback from our beloved audience and well wishers. Let's check them out.
First of all, I would like to congratulate Indian Youth Nuclear Society for conducting a useful series of sessions for the students, faculty member and research scholar. These sessions are very useful for us to upgrade our skills and knowledge in the field of science. Being informal with, where we meet with our own scientists. So it is a very good initiative which is taken by IYNS by conducting a series of the sessions for the growth of society and nation. So best wishes from my side, and we are waiting another series of the session of eminent speaker and scientists of different part of India. Thank you. Thank you.
Hello, directors of IYNS. Congratulations for arranging this type of episodes. Please call one youngest scientist from BRC, Bombay. Thank you.
Hello everyone. As you know, social media is playing an important part in today's world, especially in this COVID time where people are bound to be in home because of this lockdown. So generally, as you know, that scientists are very shy and do lots of research and discoveries. They believe in doing work rather than just vocal about it. Hence, we can't see them so common in social media platform. The show, Being Informal with, is now proving a milestone in the view of presenting scientists and their contribution. This show brings eminent scientists across the India and shows us their life journey and their contribution to Indian science and technology. The best thing which I like most about this show is that it encourages and motivates to our new young generation so that they can follow the path of Indian scientists and makes India superpower in the field of science and technology. I congratulate the entire IONS team and especially host Dr. Nitendra Singh for his successful show and best wishes for his upcoming show. Thank you. Best of luck.
Hello everyone, myself Dr. Srikant, Deputy Head Center for Research, Instrumentation and Development, Purdue University, Jaipur. I really enjoyed all weekend so far. The IOINS team provided top level of eminent personalities on the informal mode. It is beneficial for new pupils, new scientists. It has been delightful and I liked its delivery. Quite intense and much more important work done by the IYNS team and much needed in the world. We want to continue more such program. Thank you IYNS team. Thank you.
I wholeheartedly thank all of you for this love and time you and faith you have put in us. We are committed to bring so many such inspiring stories in our upcoming episodes. So thank you so much. Stay tuned. Take care and stay safe. I wish you once again Happy New Year 2021. See you soon. Thank you.